Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Acer Nitro VG240YU, 23.8-inch, WQHD, 2560x1440, ZeroFrame Design, PC gaming monitor, and why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because it consists of the following features. Quality visuals. The VG240YU 23.8-inch IPS monitor with 2560x1440 WQHD resolution in a 16:9 aspect ratio presents stunning, high-quality images with excellent detail. The ZeroFrame design does away with the thick frames found on conventional monitors, freeing up precious screen space. AMD FreeSync Technology. Say goodbye to stuttering and tearing. With AMD FreeSync, the monitor's frames are synced with the graphics card's frames, which eliminates screen tearing and provide the smoothest gaming experience. Fast refresh rate. With up to 180 Hz refresh rate speeds up the frames per second to deliver an ultra-smooth 2D motion scene. With a rapid refresh rate of up to 180 Hz, Acer monitors shorten the time it takes for frame rendering, lower input lag and provide gamers an excellent in-game experience. Responsive. Up to 0.5 millisecond GTG, gray to gray, response time enhanced gamers' in-game experience. No matter the fast-moving action or any dramatic transitions will be all rendered smoothly without the annoying effects of smearing or ghosting. ZeroFrame Design. With a Nitro VG240YU monitor, you'll want to see as much of the display as possible. Get more monitor real estate with the near bezel-less design, allowing you to see more and do more. The ZeroFrame design lets you place multiple monitors next to each other for a seamless, almost uninterrupted view. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.